Yeah, look at that. See if I can. It was a trick I learned when I was like 10 or something, but Frenchie approves of that. Look at that. He knows. That's right. That's the stuff. Just kind of, I can feel it. It's right in here, right in my collarbone. That's where I feel that burp is. This.
That's right. That's the stuff.
Rock on. Frenchie approved of that burp. It's kind of